Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And just for fun, I decided to try and see how far I could get in installing HTC's Sense Blinkfeed launcher. This is from a while ago, the launcher itself, and I was just curious to see if it was still around. So I went ahead and tried to find as much things as I could to install on my Pixel 2 XL, which is running Android 11. So I figured, a little bit more dated Android operating system would probably suffice for this. So I grabbed as much as I could. The APK file had to be downloaded from the APK Mirror website, as well as HTC's weather. News Republic was also downloaded to as well, just to kind of try to create some sort of news feed. But a lot of the things still don't work. Reason why I did this is because for nostalgic purposes. I mean, you know, honestly, I'm probably maybe one of the few that really enjoyed what HTC Sense Launcher had to offer. And sometimes I wish that even though like they're not making Android devices, that they would at least have left this, maybe had updated it, because it's in fact what made Android fun, having different options, different customizations, different launchers to play around with. But just those are my thoughts.